Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay po na dito ngayon.
Happy Mother's Day po. Parang hindi po kayo masaya na Mother's Day po ngayon. Dahil nainitan po ba kayo?
Thank you so much.
Naalala ko po nung Wednesday, may Bible study kami. Tapos ang topic is adjusting our lives in obedience to God. So kanina, it's adjustment in our lives. Kahit mag-a-adjust tayo para lang makapag-praise and worship kay Lord and lifting up His name. Hindi po ba?
Amen.
Amen. Tinatawagan po namin ng may birthday.
Birthday po si Brother Rolly po, si Brother Nestor, ay Brother Conrad, and then si Sister, si Mayen, wala siya.
Tinatawagan rin po namin ng newcomer, Sister Marianne. Can you come in front po? Don't be shy po. We're all friends and family po dito. Now, we're gonna be led by Mikey for the opening song and followed by the opening prayer by Brother Nestor.
Hello, good morning po! Kailangan natin energy eh. Kayo talaga. Hindi pa ba kayo nakapet? Ay, inantok po ba kayo kanina? Nung nag-brown out? Sige ba madilim? Masaya?